Hey guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial. In this video I will show you on how you can make stroke or sticker effect on Capcut, and this is the first time of watching this video. If you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe, as your support will help keep this channel growing. So let's proceed. Go to Capcut. Add on the plus for a new project. Then select your video, support this one, then add it. Now select the video, then look for cutouts. Select remove background. Wait for it. As you can see, the background is gone. Now select the cutout stroke. Then we have several options here. If we choose this one, straight cut stroke or solid color stroke. As you can see, this stroke looks like cut by scissor, and if we choose this one, the stroke is more smooth. At least we can change the stroke thickness here. The size, the opacity, and the color. Then let's check it. Tap on somewhere, search on canvas. Background. Then choose any background you want. To add solid color, then choose the color you want. So guys, I think it's the easiest way on how to use a stroke or sticker effect in Capcut. After you're done editing, tap on here the resolution, the frame rate, and the code rate. Then tap on the arrow to save, and it will export the video. Then you will wait for a few minutes till it's done. But note that the resolution higher will affect than the original video, which will not perform well, the ultra high definition and the resolution, and it will not be smooth, but it uses memory. But I suggest you to set the normal resolution to 1080p as HD and 60 fps, which will run smoother. So if you have any questions or suggestions, you can send us a comment or feedback, then I will assist you. If you found the video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more upcoming similar analysis videos to support me and help me keep this channel growing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.